In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed media files into Obsidian Note. By the end, you'll be confidently adding images and videos directly into your notes so they appear in line and stay organized inside your vault. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want your media to live. Keeping everything in the same vault ensures your links won't break later. Next, in the left sidebar, choose the folder where you want to store the media that will be referenced by your note. If you don't have a suitable folder yet, create a new one dedicated to media. A tidy structure makes it easier to find files and prevents duplicates. Right-click that folder in the sidebar to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select the option to show the folder in your operating system's file manager. On Windows, this is Show in Explorer. On Mac OS, it will be Show in Finder. This opens the exact folder that corresponds to the one you selected in Obsidian. A system folder window will appear on your screen. This is the physical location on your computer that maps to the folder inside your vault. Keeping media inside this folder ensures Obsidian can track and render it properly. Now paste or copy your media files into this folder. You can add pictures like PNGs, JPGs, and GIFs, as well as videos such as MP4s or MOVs. For best results, use short, descriptive file names without special characters and consider hyphens instead of spaces. Be aware that large video files can increase your vault size and sync time. Switch back to your note in Obsidian. To embed a file, type an exclamation point followed by 2 square brackets, like this. Exclamation mark, then open, open, close, close. This tells Obsidian you want the file to display in line rather than just linking to it. Between those brackets, start typing the name of your media file. Obsidian's autocomplete will suggest matches from your vault, especially from the folder you just used. Choose the correct file, and if you see multiple files with similar names, include the full file name with its extension to be precise. You should now see your image or video embedded directly in the note. If it doesn't appear immediately, switch to Reading View, or confirm that the file is inside your vault and the link matches the file name exactly. That's all there is to it. Choose or create a folder, open it in your system, place your media inside, then embed it with the exclamation plus double bracket syntax and the file name.